Building the cloud for everyone takes everyone to create and embrace a culture that is inclusive and representative of our communities. Here at Next 19 in San Francisco, diversity, equality, and inclusion is part of our DNA. Recently, Forbes magazine recognized our commitment, naming Next as one of the top 3 conferences for women to thrive. Let's check in with Joanna for more on the Inclusion Lounge and the hashtag #IamRemarkable workshops happening here at Next.
Thanks so much, Stephanie. I'm so excited to be here at our Inclusion Lounge because diversity is something that I obviously care a lot about, but more important than just being diverse is making sure that we have multiple perspectives at the table so that we can build really interesting solutions to fun problems. So now we're talking to Taylor, who drives diversity, equity, and inclusion at Next. Hi.
Hi, Joanna.
This lounge is great. You want to tell me some fun facts about it?
Welcome to the Inclusion Lounge. And the purpose of the Inclusion Lounge is to make sure that at Next we're always providing content and experiences to support underrepresented groups and allies to be able to come together, share learnings, collaborate, and build community. So yeah, it's a safe space, and at any time people could drop by, connect with like-minded others, get confidence coaching, and also get headshots. And then in the interim, we also have sessions like I'm Remarkable, which is going on right around our shoulder.
I love that session.
Yeah, and this session is happening a couple times at Next, and it takes us through an exercise of empowerment and learning how to promote ourselves in all the positive ways.
What do you think really makes the Inclusion Lounge stand out, and why should people think about coming here during their day?
Yeah, you know what? It's not even about thinking about it, it's just knowing that it's available, because so much about inclusion is you have to be ready to be in the space.
Yes.
And when you're ready to receive and you're ready to learn from others and become an ally or become an advocate, that's the time to actually visit. And it shouldn't be in an intimidating space, it should be a space where you could feel like you could be welcomed, you can meet like-minded people, and you could actually learn and listen from one another. Our attendees are always sharing with us that whether they're an introvert or an extrovert, they need a place to unwind and step away from the commotion of Next and all the wonderful experiences that are available here. And then they're really able to then go from a collaborative mindset rather than an overwhelmed mindset.
Thank you again for building this space. I really admire it.
Thanks for coming to talk to us about it. And always feel that you could drop by at the Inclusion Lounge, because we all know it's really important at Next to build a cloud for everyone. Thanks, everyone.